Hi guys and welcome. I'm Daniel, a master gardener here, and welcome back to my garden. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about my techniques for transplanting and what I do to get my seeds, my starts, the best start for this summer season. So come closer and take a look. So after you have your seeds, so you started, you've been watering them every day for the last 3 weeks or so, maybe 2 weeks, they're going to start to look like this. It's good to make sure your soil is nice and moist before you start transplanting. And if you look there, that soil is good and wet. It just helps it stick together a little bit better as you move it from one spot to another. The next thing you'll want to do is grab some type of shovel. You can use your hands, but I like to use a shovel. I'm going to put two of these cucumbers in one pot. So I'll make 2 holes. Usually move the dirt to the side. You can do this anywhere. You can do it in a garden box. You can do it in the ground. Just get a decent sized hole, and then you'll want to sprinkle some fertilizer down in the bottom of the hole. It really will get the roots started at growing nice and deep. And I usually mix it in a little bit with the existing soil down there, so it's not just a big thing of fertilizer hitting the roots there. The next thing you want to do is get your plants out. If you have a tray like this, what I try to do is put a finger on all the spots that are not going to come out. Otherwise, you're going to pop all of them out at the same time. And I like to push a little bit up on this bottom one, the one that I want to take out. So I'll be taking this one out. So I'll push it up, squeeze it a little bit to get it nice and loose, and then tip it over, and it pops out nice and easy. When it's moist like that, the roots will hold everything together. So it plops in nice and good. I think I'll take this one next. So again, push it, use my hands to hold the rest of them. Another thing I like to do is, I had 2 seeds that didn't germinate too well. This one didn't germinate, this one's starting to, but it's so small, it's probably not going to have the best genetics or the best start. So I'm going to have these ones actually help create extra soil around the 2 that I'm going to use. And then I just fill the soil back in around them. You want to keep the main leaves free of dirt, and I usually pack in the soil around it. So I use my hands just to pack in that soil. And if you're doing this out in a larger area, it's good to make a little bit of a bowl around it as well to catch the rain and catch the water. Here I'm doing it in a pot, so it's not as necessary because I irrigate it. But if you're out in your garden and you're allowing rain or overhead irrigation, you want to create that little mound around your plant so that it acts as a bowl to collect that water. And we'll do it here just for the fun of it. Okay, and that's all there is to it. All right, guys, well, thanks for joining me. Take care.